Pumpkin and sausage risotto is a comforting dish, perfect for autumnal and winter days. Here's how to prepare it. Ingredients: 320 grams of Carnaroli or Arborio rice, 400 grams of cleaned and diced pumpkin, 200 grams of sausage, 1 liter of vegetable or meat broth, 1 small onion, 100 milliliters of dry white wine, 40 grams of butter, 40 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Optional, chopped parsley for garnish. Optional, a pinch of nutmeg. Preparation: start by preparing the pumpkin. Clean it, remove the seeds, and cut into cubes. In a pan, cook the pumpkin with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil until soft, adjusting salt and pepper. In a large pot, prepare the risotto base by sautéing the finely chopped onion with a drizzle of oil and a knob of butter, without browning it too much. Remove the casing from the sausage and crumble it into the pot with the onion, sautéing until well browned. Increase the heat and toast the rice in the pot until it becomes translucent, then deglaze with white wine and let the alcohol evaporate. Continue cooking by adding the broth, a ladle at a time as the rice absorbs it, stirring frequently. Halfway through cooking, add the pumpkin to the rice and continue to add broth, keeping the flame moderate. When the rice is al dente, remove the pot from the heat and stir in the remaining butter and the Parmesan cheese. If desired, add a pinch of nutmeg. Cover and let rest for a minute before serving. Plate the risotto and, if desired, garnish with chopped parsley. Curiosity: risotto, one of the most representative dishes of Italian cuisine, lends itself to endless variations. Pumpkin, with its natural sweetness, perfectly complements the savory taste and texture of the sausage. An important aspect of making risotto is choosing good rice that holds up during cooking, and the final stir-in of butter and cheese, which makes it creamy and irresistible.